Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Hotmail verification phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to Outlook, as that's where your Hotmail account lives. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Outlook login page. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook mail page. Now, look up to the top right of your screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option that says My Microsoft Account. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Microsoft account settings. When you're on your account page, focus on the Security section and click on it. This is where all your account's security features are managed, including your verification methods. Microsoft will now ask you to confirm your identity by entering your password again. Go ahead and type it in, then click Sign In. Once you're inside the security settings, look for the option that says Manage How I Sign In. Click this link and you'll be taken to a page that shows all your verification methods. Now, locate the Manage option below Two-Step Verification. Click it and you'll on this page. Here, click on Next and you will be taken to your verification page. Next, click on Drop-Down and find and click on Phone Number. This link will allow you to add a new number or change your existing verification phone number. Enter your new number carefully and follow the on-screen prompts to verify it. Once verified, your new phone number will be successfully added to your Microsoft account. And that's it. So that is how you can change Hotmail verification phone number. So that's all for this video. Thanks.